Hey there, fellow travel enthusiasts. Have you been looking at airfares lately? Oof. It seems like every time we turn around, the cost of travel goes up. But don't let that dampen your adventurous spirit. Travel doesn't have to break the bank. That's why I'm so excited to share my top 5 budget travel destinations for 2025. We're talking stunning landscapes, vibrant cultures, delicious food, all without the hefty price tag. Let's dive in. First up is Vietnam, a country that holds a special place in my heart. Imagine cruising through the emerald waters of Ha Long Bay, or meandering through the bustling markets of Hanoi. And the best part? You can experience all of this without spending a fortune. A hearty bowl of pho will only set you back a couple of dollars. For accommodations, you can find charming guest houses and homestays for as low as $10 a night. So pack your bags, grab your chopsticks, and get ready for an unforgettable journey through this captivating country. Next on our list is Portugal, a country that effortlessly blends history, culture, and natural beauty. From the sun-drenched beaches of the Algarve to the charming cobblestone streets of Lisbon, Portugal offers something for everyone. Imagine yourself strolling through historic neighborhoods or sipping a glass of port wine as the sun sets over the Douro River. You can find delicious seafood meals for under $10, and local transportation is incredibly affordable. Plus, Portugal has a fantastic network of hostels and budget-friendly guest houses, making it a haven for budget travelers. If you're looking for a destination that explodes with color, rhythm, and flavor, then Colombia needs to be on your radar. From the vibrant streets of Cartagena to the coffee plantations in the Andes Mountains, Colombia is a sensory feast. And guess what? You can experience this cultural kaleidoscope without breaking the bank. Picture yourself wandering through colorful colonial streets or sipping world-class coffee at its source. You can find delicious street food for a couple of dollars, and local buses will take you to stunning destinations for a fraction of the cost. Plus, Colombia has a growing network of hostels and budget-friendly accommodations, making it easier than ever to travel on a shoestring. For those seeking adventure off the beaten path, Romania is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. From the towering peaks of the Carpathian Mountains to the enchanting medieval towns, Romania is a land of myth, legend, and breathtaking landscapes. And the best part? It's incredibly affordable. Imagine hiking through pristine forests or exploring charming villages where time seems to stand still. You can find hearty meals for under $5, and local transportation is incredibly cheap. Plus, Romania has a growing network of guest houses and homestays, offering an authentic and affordable way to experience the country's warm hospitality. Last but certainly not least, we journey to Laos, a country that embodies tranquility and authenticity. From the serene landscapes of the Mekong River to the ancient temples of Luang Prabang, Laos offers a slower pace of travel that's both refreshing and affordable. Imagine yourself gliding down the Mekong River on a traditional long-tail boat, or exploring ancient temples adorned with intricate carvings. You can find delicious Lao cuisine for a few dollars per meal, and local transportation is incredibly cheap. Plus, Laos has a wide range of guest houses and homestays, allowing you to experience the country's laid-back charm without spending a fortune. So there you have it, 5 incredible destinations where you can experience the world without emptying your wallet. From the bustling streets of Hanoi to the tranquil temples of Luang Prabang, adventure awaits those who seek it. Remember, budget travel is all about being resourceful, planning ahead, and embracing the unexpected. Now it's your turn. Which of these destinations has sparked your wanderlust? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's inspire each other to explore the world on a budget. Happy travels, everyone!